Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. I am GD sir, subject teacher of English from LPM Public School. How are you? I hope you all will be fine, and it is the time to understand the SPHW. So listen carefully. SPHW means summer vacation homework, and it is for class 6. Uh, Years is 2020 to 21. So first you complete this work. You have to make a separate copy, and that copy name will be SPHW, and it is the separate from the CW and HW. Okay, and you have to complete all the exercises of the subject in the SBHW copy. Okay, so listen carefully. First, here is the oral homework, and in the oral homework there are learn question answer and book exercise of the chapter 1 2 3. Okay, so I hope you have to complete the book exercise and write down the question answer from the WhatsApp notes, and watching the video of YouTube. And second is learn definition of all kinds of sentences. First you have to learn the definition of the sentence. After that, kinds of sentence and its definition, and then learn subject, definition of the subject and definition of the predicate. Okay, and I also learn the example of these. Okay, and third is learn definition of noun and its kind. Okay, here is the it is the next chapter, and you have to learn definition of noun and its kind. Okay, and here is the written work. It is the same of the oral work, and write all the exercise and question answer in SBHW copy. That is you have to learn. It means chapter 1 2 3. Okay, and second is write all hard work of chapter 1 2 3 in SBHW. Okay, so you have to search out hard work from the textbook and note down it in your SBHW copy. And here is the activity. What is the activity? Write a note on Let Sarojini Naidu. You have to uh, know about the Sarojini Naidu. It is the first chapter of your English subject, and you have to write down more thing about the Sarojini Naidu, his work and his life. Sorry, her work and her life, and you may take a help of your family members, and you also take the help from the textbook. Okay, and here is the project work. Write the definition of the sentence and its kind with the exercise on a chart paper. First you take a chart paper, and after that you make a boxes and write down the definition in the boxes with the example, and you have to also express the kinds of the sentences by showing the graph. Okay, you have to make different kind of the graph. So write down this graph. And here is the self search homework. Write 20 English writer authors. Okay, it means first you search out 20 writer names or authors name, and also write down their book name. Okay, and you may take the help of your family members and friends, or other books that is you have to search out. So I hope you all understand this SPSW copy, and if you have to problem any problem, then you comment in the comment box, and it is your SBSW work. I hope you all understand, and you have to complete it in your CW copy, sorry, SBSW copy. And when the school will open, I will check out your all homework, and it is also include in a PA first. uh, so listen carefully and complete the SBSW copy. That is the very necessary for you. Why? Because this activity will be added in your PA first, okay, periodical assessment first, okay. So I hope you will be fine. uh, Thank you for the watching and best of luck.